Welcome to our instructional video on solving the quadratic equation 4 times x squared plus 8 times x plus 4. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to find the solution to this quadratic equation. So, let's get started. To begin solving the quadratic expression 4x squared plus 8x plus 4, we first identify whether the expression can be factored. Notice that each term in the expression has a common factor. Specifically, 4 is a factor of 4x squared, 8x, and 4. Therefore, we factor out the greatest common factor, which is 4. So, we rewrite the expression as 4 times the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 1. This simplifies the quadratic and prepares us for the next steps in solving or further factoring the expression. By factoring out the common factor, we make the equation easier to work with and identify simpler forms for further operations. Now that we have factored out the greatest common factor, we are left with 4 times the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 1. Next, we look to see if the quadratic expression inside this quantity can be factored further. Upon closer inspection, x squared plus 2x plus 1 is a perfect square trinomial. This means it can be rewritten as the square of a binomial. Specifically, x squared plus 2x plus 1 can be factored into the quantity x plus 1 squared. Thus, the entire expression 4 times the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 1 becomes 4 times the quantity x plus 1 squared. This is the simplest and final form of the expression when factored completely. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.